To transfer BNB to Trust Wallet, start by opening your Binance account and navigating to the Wallet section. Click on BNB and select Withdraw. Then choose the BNB Smart Chain Network. You will be prompted to enter the recipient address, which can be found in your Trust Wallet app. Open Trust Wallet, go to the Wallet page, and select BNB. Tap on Receive, and you will see your BNB address. Copy this address and paste it into the recipient address field on the Binance withdrawal page. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer and click Withdraw. You will be asked to confirm the transaction, review the details, and authenticate the withdrawal. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed and the BNB will be transferred to your Trust Wallet. It is essential to ensure that you are using the correct network and address to avoid any transaction errors. Always double-check the recipient address before confirming a withdrawal. Additionally, be aware of any transaction fees and minimum withdrawal amounts that may apply. Trust Wallet is a secure and user-friendly platform for storing and managing your BNB and other cryptocurrencies. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet and start using it for various purposes such as staking, trading, or participating in DeFi applications. Remember to keep your private keys and recovery phrases safe, and never share them with anyone. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, you can reach out to the support teams of Binance or Trust Wallet for assistance.